Today's featured car of the day is a 1972 Ferrari 365 GTB 4 Daytona. And this one, I'll read off the Mecum website, some of the stats on it. It has the 4.4 liter, 352 horsepower V12, 5-speed gated shifter. And this one was lot number S233, Saturday, November 1st, at Dallas Fort Worth Mecum Auction 2025, and it bid to $525,000 and did not sell. And I'll read a couple highlights here for you. It had 40,362 kilometers on it, and it was imported to the U.S. and sold new by Chinetti Garthwaite Imports of Paoli, Pennsylvania, and later exported to both Europe and Japan. Converted to European specifications in the early 2000s, imported back to the U.S. in December of 2020. It had new narrow leather interior with Rosso Daytona stripes, rebuilt bucket seats with new diaphragms, webbing, and structural foam from Europe, new mouse hair upholstery on restored dashboard, leather-wrapped Momo steering wheel, rebuilt Becker radio, rebuilt original clock, Veglia Borletti instruments, new wool carpets with leather binding, new air conditioning compressor, and 134A recharge. And as I mentioned, it bid to $525,000, but did not sell at the Mecum auction in Dallas, Fort Worth, Saturday, November 1st, 2025. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.